Hi, I'm Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. 안녕하세요, 조한빛입니다. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing blueberry petit gâteau, and I call this the blueberry blossom. I love this petit gâteau because of the mold that I used. The mold is a ring mold, and it's such that you can actually put something inside in the center, like a donut, pretty much. So I actually use this mold quite a lot. It's very useful, and please try it out yourself. So I'll go through the structure. At the bottom is the Sablé Breton, the Breton cookie. And then you've got the blueberry mousse with vanilla Cremeux inside. And in the center, you have blueberry confit with fresh blueberries. And of course, I'm going to glaze the mousse with neutral glaze. So let's start. I'm going to show you how to make the Sablé Breton Base. It's basically a Breton cookie. It's thinner than usual, but the recipe and the method is exactly the same. So please watch my previous video, as I have a video on how to make Breton cookies. Please watch that. And yes, it's not difficult, so you'll be able to make it easily. Great, so here's my Breton cookie dough. Rolled out to 5mm thickness, and I'm going to cut them out in circles using a cookie cutter. I'm going to place them inside 7cm tart rings, and then I'm going to bake them. Great, now I'll bake it in the preheated oven. Great, I'm going to show you how to make the vanilla cremeux. And this is basically vanilla crème anglaise with a bit of white chocolate and gelatin. So here I've got heavy cream, and I've scraped vanilla seeds and put inside sugar and egg yolks. So with this, I'm going to make the vanilla crème anglaise, and then I'm going to pour that to the white Couverture chocolate and Gelatin Mass, and I'm just going to hand blend it and emulsify, and then pour that into this mold here. So I'm just going to heat it up, and I'm going to infuse the vanilla. Great, it's come to a boil, so I'm going to turn it off. Great, I'm just going to leave it like this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the sugar and egg yolks and make crème anglaise. Great, so there's my crème anglaise. It's got that thickness. So I've turned it off, and I'm going to pour it into the white chocolate and gelatin mass. Great, now I'm going to freeze this completely. Now I'm going to show you how to make blueberry confit. Here I've got blueberry puree, sugar and Petin NH mixed together because Petin NH tends to lump. And finally, I've got lemon zest and lemon juice. Blueberry pairs really well with lemon, and the acidic note of lemon really brings out the blueberry flavor, and I just love pairing blueberries and lemon. So I'll show you how to make this amazing blueberry confit. I'm going to heat this up to around 40 degrees Celsius, and then I'm going to add in the sugar and Petin NH mixture. So once it comes to a boil, I'm going to boil it for about another minute or so, and then I'm going to add in the lemon juice and the lemon zest and finish it off. And now I'm going to let it cool down and use it later. Great, so now I'm going to show you how to make the blueberry mousse. And this blueberry mousse is going to be white chocolate based. And so here I've got heavy cream, which I'm going to whip in advance, and then blueberry puree, sugar, white Couverture chocolate, and then gelatin. So I'm going to whip the white chocolate in advance, and in terms of the rest of the ingredients, I'm just going to put them all together, heat it up, and then blend it with a hand blender, emulsify, and then once the temperature comes down, I'm going to mix the whipped heavy cream with that blueberry base. First, I'm going to whip the heavy cream and set it aside. Great, so now I'm going to set it aside and work on the rest. Great, so here I've got blueberry puree. I've heated it up, sugar, white chocolate, and gelatin mass. And I'm going to put everything together, just mix it, dissolve everything, and blend it with a hand blender. Great, so I'm going to bring the temperature down and then I'm going to mix it with the whipped heavy cream. Great, now I'm going to freeze it. Great, now I'll do the final decoration. Well, blueberry alone is fantastic. We all love blueberries. But I guess blueberry alone could have been slightly bland, and thanks to the vanilla Cremeux, it adds that flavor. And it's not just scraping vanilla seeds into the blueberry puree, but this is the vanilla Cremeux, right? It's crème anglaise based, which is deeper and which is richer in terms of the flavor. So it really matches well with the fruity blueberries. So how was it? There are quite a few steps, so it takes a while to make this petit gâteau, but it's definitely worth the time because it's absolutely delicious. It's just blueberries. But it's not just blueberries, but there's a bit of vanilla as well, right? I'm sure you'll love it, so please try it out, and I'll come back next time with an amazing recipe. Thank you very much. 감사합니다. For more YouTube videos, please click here. If you want to take a step further with your baking and pastry, then please visit my website on www.hanbitcho.com. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.